WhatsApp application not installing from App Store. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this short tutorial I will teach you how to fix WhatsApp not installing from App Store on iPhone in iOS 16-17. Let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, as you can see, the WhatsApp application is not installing on my iPhone. Let's fix this issue. Guys, before fixing this issue, make sure your internet connection is good and stable. Now open the settings menu on your device. Find and tap on App Store. Here, make sure that mobile data is enabled in your iPhone. If it's already on, turn it off, wait for a while, then turn it back on. Now find and tap app downloads and select always allow. Now go back to the home screen and force restart your device. For that, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. Next, press and hold the lock button until the Apple logo appears on your screen. After restarting the iPhone, go back to App Store and try to re-download the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. So if this method doesn't work, sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone once and sign in again. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.